So hello folks, how are you doing? Today we have an occasion, a special one again, because I don't not only want to do a pure sound video of our M550i again, as the AC Schnitzer exhaust now has a lot more kilometers on it, but secondly I want to use this camera because it's a GoPro Hero 7, which it's not sponsored, we have bought from our own money, but I still want to try out the same more or less format that we're usually doing, with the same video settings, so that's 1080p 60 frames super view, and to compare of course also the audio and video quality in that case. Be also interesting to see actually how good the camera works with that stabilization, because we have this hyper smooth or whatever it's called, so there's an image stabilization which of course helps once you're driving a mountain bike or whatever, or a skateboard, but sometimes is even a problem if you mount the camera into a car and also onto the back. So I'm very anxious to see how hyper smooth actually helps to do our shots compared to ruin those shots. Oh, those bangs in the back. So let's now put the camera onto the back of the M550i. As you can see, we have the AC Schnitzer Exhaust System here, quad exhaust system, EWG-compliant version, and we will see how that sounds.